What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my first race day ever. We got Gary out here at Pacific Raceway in Seattle and we are slapping on a poor man's slick setup. These are just some snow tires on the OEM wheels. Bobby's tires ain't gonna hook up too good on the track and I'm gonna go racing. And maybe Bobby's gonna race too.
I'm not racing. Sorry.
First time out, I'm probably gonna run like a 14, so they don't need to require a helmet if you're running over a 13. Let's party. That was terrible. I got super nervous on the launch and that was trash. And rode up to like 3K. Still nuts. I thought that was bad at first. Rode up a little. It's not even that bad. So Bobby's motor's fucked. It ended up knocking on that pole and I'm upset because it was such a terrible pass. So it was a terrible pass, spun on the launch really bad, missed second gear, hit rev limiter for like 10 seconds straight second gear, and then I rode it all the way out the back of the track. And I ran a 13.0 at like 125. Fucking terrible. And then I looked down at the access port, negative 11 counts to knock, and I knew that motor was done for. No?
I just want to cry real quick.
I feel bad for Bob because she didn't get a drive. But it is what it is. There was a high probability of me blowing the motor.
What am I supposed to tell my freaking TikTok?
Tell them I don't know how to drive and it blew up. Makes you never want to race again. Honestly, this is bullshit. I'm going back to stance cars. Almost in the 9s on a stock motor.
So close. I'm living up to my standards.
What did she do?
This is all that matters, boy.
Yeah, that was fast.
I lost my oil cap. Oh, there's my oil cap.
How does that work?
I don't know. My oil cap says I don't want to be on here no more.
Is the motor done for?
Yeah, it's hurt. So, I had a little bit of smoke coming out of the breather. We knew on the dyno. We pushed her. Came here. It was on the same map that it was on the dyno. So,
it was?
Probably saw 42 pounds. I would imagine 43 pounds. And then we sent her. So, I'll take that. I don't care. I'll pay the cost of the motor to chase a record, guys. That's just the end of it.
Yeah.
Drives the industry. This, I feel,
That's bullshit.
bad.
I'm
But-
never racing again. I'm fucking out. I'm done.
I heard you missed second.
Dude, for like 10 minutes straight.
It has a really hard cut limiter on it, so
Yeah.
it probably pounded the bearing.
Yeah, it was bad. But let's put the cap on, put another 4 quarts in the bitch, and see what happens.
Fucking let's start it. I ain't afraid.
All right, let's do
You
it.
got oil here, don't you? Yeah. We'll clean her down and start her up. We'll send her again. We'll turn up to 45 pounds. It's already Josh can go.
We were honestly considering driving this car back to Spokane. It's knocking, as you guys heard, but it's not worth it because with all that copper going through the engine, it would probably most definitely take out the heads. I'm talking to my camera.
Can I come in?
No. So yeah, we're gonna put it on the trailer and we're just gonna tow it home. All right, we got Bobby's car loaded up on the trailer. Both RAs loaded up on Josh's trailer, and this old girl is being driven. This thing makes 800, so I'm gonna go for a ride in this. What's the setup on this bad boy?
6870 reverse stock intake manifold, Heron V1 headers, custom rotated kit by Ranchville, and that's about it. 2150 FIC. So
She hauls ass.
she eats.
Don't kill me. We just had Gary drop back off at the shop. She made it back to Spokane all in one piece. Kind of sucks that she ended up knocking, but of course it's only a matter of time. 12,000 miles at over 550 at the wheels and about 1,000 miles at 617 at the wheels is a lot for a stock motor. So I don't really care. I know Bobby's a little bit disappointed, but if you guys remember, we have had, check this out. This thing is gonna be down for like a week, maybe less, maybe more. We've had a closed deck out front block sitting around just waiting for that motor to blow. I'm not sure if Bobby wants to change the setup or not. It's such a fun setup how it was. I might just do a fully closed deck setup, forged rods, pistons, all the killer bee oiling stuff, and just make it a bulletproof engine, probably springs and retainers, but make it so we don't have to retune the car because it was so fun how it was set up, and then it'd be bulletproof forever. Are you sad?
I am really freaking sad. Did you tell him what you did?
Yes. I don't think you're that sad.
No, I am. It makes me want to sell it.
I'll buy it, 10K cash.
What?